Hello everyone. So our today's topic is exception handling. So in that today's topic is checked exception and unchecked exception. So basically these are the two types of comes under the Java exception handling. So what is the exception handling? So exception handling, it is the one of the powerful mechanism used to handle the runtime error so that the normal flow of an application can be maintained. So the advantages of an exception handling is that the core advantages of exception handling is it is used to maintain the normal flow of an application, and exception normally disrupted the normal flow of an applications. So that's why we need to handle the exception. So there are types of exception. There are mainly two types of an exception: checked and unchecked. So an error is considered as an unchecked exception, while according to the Oracle there is mainly three types according to the exception. First one is checked exception, unchecked exception, and third one is error. So first of all we will discuss about exception. Exception, it is an unwanted or unexpected event which occurs due to the execution of the program. So that means a runtime that disrupted the normal flow of a program. So there are main two types, checked and unexcepted. First of all we will discuss the checked exception. So the class directly inherited the throwable class except the runtime exception and error are known as checked exception, or we can say that these are the exceptions that are checked at the compile time. So if the code within a method throws a checked exception, then the method must be either handle the exception or it must be specify the exception using checked exception. So for example, let's consider consider that the open file that the location is in C drive. So we need to print the first three lines of a program. So it doesn't have to compile because the function of the mainstream is use of file reader, and file reader throws a checked exception, that file not found exception. It is also used to read the lines and close the methods of a method also. Then next one is unchecked exception. So in this, classes is inherited to the runtime exception are known as unchecked exception. So for example, arithmetic exception, array out of bound exception, etc. So these were the some of the exception which comes under the unchecked exception. So unchecked exception are those exceptions that compiles the time, but they are checked at the runtime. Or we can say that all exceptions are unchecked so that it will not force by the compiler to either handle or specify the exception. So it has up to the programmer to be civilized and specify or catch the exception in Java. So the exception under the error and runtime exception are unchecked exception, so that every else under throwable is checked. So these were some difference between the checked and unchecked exception. So thank you.